Hi there everyone, and welcome to this unboxing of these Sony headphones. Well, this is the headphones. They are Sony MDR-ZX110NA overhead, so they go over the top of your head, noise cancelling headphones, and they're black. So it's the longest part number in the world, but there we go. There you go. Noise cancelling headphones. They look rather good actually, don't they? I've not had Sony headphones before. On the Sony website they are £50, 50. On Amazon they are £31.88. And so that's not bad. So that's not a bad price at all. Let's see what they're like. Okay, so let's open this up. It's got a plastic cover on it, so which just take off like that, and then how does this open? There we are. Move that out of the way, and then it comes out in this little tray, and in the tray we have a warranty sheet, and in, what's this? This is how to change the battery, because it needs a battery because of the noise cancelling system in it. And then we have these instructions. Wow, that's a lot of instructions. Okay, let's put that to one side. Now take it out of the cardboard box, and then there is a little, even more wrapping there. There's a battery there. It's a Sony battery, and there's an adapter, so you put your jack plug in there, and two jack plugs come out of there. So that's going to be for use for something. Oops. Okay, so here we are with the headphones in this bag. So let's open that up. There's the cable, and inside, I can do this. There we are. There's some headphones. And the cable is undone like that, and the cable comes out. It's one bit of cable from each headphone, and the cable is about 1 metre long. Okay, we have the headphones out of the wrapping, and now we move out like that, and we have to fit a battery, and there's a little thing there marked push. So if we push that, there we are, that just jumps off, and you get the battery, and it goes in that way, and you put this cover back on, and we're ready to go. Okay, so the important thing is, what do they sound like? Well, let's play some music and see. And this is on the noise cancelling is off, and that's not bad. Switch it on. Ooh, well, there's such a difference there. The noise cancelling on is a much fuller, wider, there's more definition on the individual instruments. Switch it off again. It's not quite like going to mono, but you lose definition. It's much better to have the noise cancelling on. That's really not bad actually. Yeah, so that's not bad. I would say you could do with a bit of padding around the top there. There's no real soft padding anywhere around the top. By the way, when you switch it on, you get a little LED to tell you that you've switched it on. Not that you can see it, but there you are. And so they're not bad. £31, not bad at all. Okay, so after a couple of days, what are my thoughts on these Sony headphones? Bear in mind, I've not used it using this adapter, so let's not worry about that. Generally, well, this cable is very flimsy. I like the gold jack plug at 90 degrees. I like the 90 degrees, but the cable gets tangled up and it feels a bit flimsy. Excuse me. The actual earphones, the folding out bit, this all generally feels rather flimsy, and it wouldn't stand up to too much tough treatment. There's no padding around the top, which is a bit of a pain. They extend out very nicely, but all the other ones do that as well. How do they compare against these headphones? I've used these for a few years and these have been pretty good. These are Sennheiser. I don't know what model it is. The cable is much better, seems much stronger, doesn't get tangled up, folds up nice and small. I know it's a different style of headphone, but I mean, it does very well. And then that just opens up really nicely. And actually that's a PX100-11, I think the model is there. Or it's a PX-100 anyway. These are really good. They're not noise cancelling, so you can hear generally other things that are going on, but they're pretty good. I like those. They're pretty good. So what order would I put these in? Worst to best. Well, worst is the Sony ones with the noise cancelling switched off. It's a bit underwhelming, that sound. You can hear the music and it sounds okay. Bit underwhelming. Next is the Sennheiser ones. They've always been good. I still like to use those. They're nice and small. The sound is good on them. They're pretty good. But best is the Sony with the noise cancelling switched on. The music is much brighter. There's more definition to the sound, to the instruments. It just sounds pretty darn good, I think. It's a pain having to have the battery in it, because at some point you'll try to use them when the batteries run out, and at some point when you switch it on, the light comes on. At some point you'll leave it on and then the battery will drain. It's just a bit of a faff, to be honest. Sounds good, and they're only 30 quid, so it's not bad, but there's probably better ones, I think. Okay, thanks very much.